Hey everyone, so I wanted to do a longer video about the Sovol SV08. It's a really great printer. It quickly became one of my favorites as soon as I got it. I'm building my own Voron right now, so it was just really cool to see something that's Voron inspired in action. And I'm still waiting on the enclosure. I've been just using PETG while I wait, doing a little bit of PLA printing here and there. But I just run into this issue, and I gotta imagine that it's just the probe, but nothing's happened to the printer. It hasn't run into anything. There haven't been any catastrophic failures, except, well, I guess when the printer destroyed one of my beds recently. There was just no warning. It was printing perfectly before that. I was getting some really, really beautiful, high-quality pieces out of this thing. And I was just really loving printing with it. This needs to be cleaned up a little, but you can see it's really solid. The detailing there is really, really solid for something that I haven't tuned at all. This is just all on stock settings. Yeah, just haven't really had to do any work with it. But then suddenly, just out of nowhere, anytime I try to level it, it does this. Let's do the quad gantry level. As you can see, it's heating up normally. We've got a Voron design bed here. One of the things that I like about this whole machine is just the number of things that are just cross-compatible with the standard Voron build components, because it means that I can just grab something off my shelf, throw it on there, and I'm good to go. Let's see. Alright, we're at about 65 degrees. Should start moving like normal. Need to do something about that wire at some point. But we've got our Y-axis, X-axis, great, totally normal. Now we're homing on the Z-axis. Just slams into the bed. Anybody seen anything like this? I'm imagining it's just this probe in here isn't working. I mean, I've got an Eddy probe. I could throw that on there, but of course the Sovol SV08 isn't compatible with it, as folks have pointed out a few times. I have some other probes I guess I could throw on there. Maybe just wait for Sovol to send me a new one of these. But, I don't know. Any other solutions? Anybody else seen this before? Thanks a bunch.